Hey everyone, this is Tremble 70. Today I got Bachmann, Thomas, teacher, and her school children. So here it is. There's the teacher and her 5 school children. So here's the front and the back. I finally complete Bachmann Thomas figures. And now, let's unbox it. Oops. Sorry about that. Hang on. I had to stand them up off camera, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry it took so long. It's pretty hard to stand those school children on the stand. I do apologize. Anyhow, let's take a look at them. First up is a teacher. And here we have 5 school children. If you like them, let me know in the comments down below. Well guys, that's it with this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.